This is the elevator at Fenton Hall at SUNY Fredonia in Fredonia, New York. This was some old third-party hydraulic elevator, and it got a PTL Centurion modernization. Here it is. It has an annoying fan. It's very wide. And it takes forever to level. Might have been a Dover, I'm not sure. Go up to 2. Here we go up. Similar modernization was probably done around the same time as Car 1 at Thompson Hall. Here 2. Come back down to 1. The basic stainless steel cab. It's like very wide, but it's not as deep. Give it a 1. That's gonna be it.